Are you looking for legit real estate investment near here in Tagaytay? For only 1,540,000, meron ka ng 200 square meter residential lot. Free transfer of title pa. Located here at Barangay Pangil, Amadeo, Cavite, along the highway, east to west road, with 10% promo discount. Perfect for investment or retirement. Cash and installment accepted up to 2 years to 5 years to pay. 8 minutes driving going to Robinson's, Premier, Jollibee, Chowking, McDo, Shakey's, and Pure Gold. 12 minutes driving going to Hacienda Designer Outlet Mall. 15 minutes driving going to Tagaytay, 100% same climate. 1 hour and 30 minutes from Metro Manila via Calax. For more details, please contact us.